Let's do a few examples on dividing fractions. Divide mentally and thinking how many times the divisor fits into the dividend. So let's do an example. We have 6 over 7 divided by 1 over 7. So we divide straight across. 6 divided by 1 is 6, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. We have 6 over 1, and we would change that to a whole number of 6. So our final answer to this would be 6. Okay, let's go to our next example. We have 9 over 20 divided by 3 over 20. 9, we just look at the numerators first. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 20, now we look at the denominators. 20 divided by 20 is 1. So our final answer is 3 over 1, so we change this into a 3. So our final answer is 3. Okay, we want to solve these problems mentally. Write a division sentence for each problem. There is 6/10 of a pizza left over, and 2 people share equally. How much does each one get? So we would write out the fraction to let's say 6 over 10, and we have 2 people that share equally, so we divide that by 2. So basically you would do it this way: 6 over 10 divided by 2 over 1. So 6, we look at the numerators first. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 1 is 10. So our final answer to this would be 3/10. So that's how much that each one gets. So 3 over 10 is our final answer. Okay, we want to change the division to multiplication and solve. So we got 1 over 7 divided by 2. So we have 1 over 7 divided by 2 over 1. We got to flip this over, the reciprocal. So it'll be 1 over 7 times 1 over 2. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 7 times 2 is 14. So our answer is 1 over 14. Okay, let's do another example. Let's say we have 7 over 12 divided by 1 over 2. We want to flip the half to 2 over 1. So it's 7 over 12 times 2 over 1. So 7 times 2 is 14, and 12 times 1 is 12. We can't leave the fraction like this because it's improper. We have to change this to a mixed number. So we do 14 divided by 12. So 12 goes into 14 one time. So 14 minus 12 is 2. So we have a remainder of 2. So our denominator would be 12. A whole number would be 1. And our remainder is 2. So we put that in the numerator. This can be reduced. 2 over 12 can be reduced because you could go to more lower terms. So we have 1, and we're going to reduce to 2 over 12, and we're going to divide 2 on both sides. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our final answer to this would be 1 and 1 over 6. So this is the final answer to this. And let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.